Hey everyone, welcome back to Pop Off English, the fun podcast where you learn real English for real life. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends. It really helps our channel and it helps you keep learning English with us.
Today we're going somewhere a lot of people love and a lot of people hate. We're going to the gym. And we're going to learn how to make small talk at the gym in easy, simple English.
So if you want to talk to someone near the treadmills, or you want to say something friendly to the person on the yoga mat next to you, this episode is perfect for you.
Our characters today are Mia and Leo. Yes, same names as us, but they are in a different universe. They meet at the gym and they do small talk. You can just listen and enjoy. You don't have to repeat anything.
Ready to work out your English? Let's go to the gym.
It's Monday evening at a gym in the city. Music is playing. People are running, lifting weights, and drinking water. Mia is on a treadmill, walking slowly. Leo comes and takes the treadmill next to her.
Oh wow, it's so busy today.
Yeah, Mondays are always crazy here. I think everyone feels guilty after the weekend.
Same. Too much pizza, not enough push-ups.
Pizza's my favorite workout. Lift slice, eat slice, repeat.
That sounds like a very advanced training program.
By the way, hey, I'm Leo.
Hi, I'm Mia. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Mia. Do you come to this gym a lot?
Not really. I just joined last month. I'm still trying to be a gym person.
A gym person, I like that. So how's it going so far?
Honestly, I'm still in the walking and complaining phase.
That's okay. I'm in the pretend I know what I'm doing phase.
You look confident though. What's your usual workout?
I usually start with a warm-up on the treadmill, then I do some weights, and sometimes I stretch so I can walk like a normal human the next day. What about you?
Well, I walk, I drink water, I check my phone. That's my workout.
Very modern program. High-tech fitness.
Exactly. I think my thumbs are the strongest muscles I have.
Same here. Scroll training.
So how long have you been coming to this gym?
About 6 months now.
Wow, 6 months. That's serious. Do you like it?
Yeah, I do. The people are friendly, the staff is nice, and they have good air conditioning. That part is very important.
Oh yes, I'm not a fan of sweating, to be honest.
That's a problem in a gym.
I know. But I like the feeling after a workout. Tired but kind of proud.
Exactly. That I survived feeling.
So, are you here every day?
Not every day. I usually come 3 times a week. What about you? What's your gym schedule?
I'm trying to come twice a week. Sometimes it's 0 times. Sometimes it's 4. It depends on life, work, and Netflix.
Ah, yes, Netflix, the natural enemy of fitness.
For real. So what time do you usually come here?
I normally come in the evening after work, like now. It's busy, but it's the only time I can come. Do you prefer mornings or evenings?
Definitely evenings. In the morning, I'm basically a zombie. I can't talk to people before 10 a.m.
Good to know. I will never say hi to you before 10 a.m.
I appreciate that.
By the way, how long have you been on the treadmill today?
About 10 minutes. I want to do at least 20, maybe 30, if I don't die.
You're doing great. Starting slow is smart.
Do you run or walk usually?
I do a mix. I start with walking, then I run a little, then I walk again. Kind of like run, regret, recover.
That sounds like my love life.
Wow, that got deep. Very fast for gym small talk.
Sorry, sometimes I overshare.
It's okay. The treadmill is a safe place.
So do you do classes here, like yoga or spinning?
I tried a spinning class one time. I thought it would be easy. It was not easy. I almost cried.
I totally understand. I tried Zumba once and discovered that I have zero rhythm.
Same. My body was like, nope, we don't dance.
What's your favorite thing to do at the gym then?
I like the free weights area. It makes me feel strong, even when I only lift the small weights.
Hey, small weights are still weights?
True. What about you? Treadmill only? Or do you explore other machines?
I like the bikes too. And sometimes I try the weird machines that look like torture devices. I just copy what other people do.
That's a classic gym strategy.
Do you ever talk to people here? Or do you just put in your headphones?
It depends. Sometimes I listen to music or a podcast. Sometimes I say hi to the regulars. But I try not to disturb people.
Yeah, I always think, is it okay to talk now, or are they in the zone?
Good gym small talk rule. Don't talk to people when they are breathing like a dragon.
So, no small talk during heavy squats.
Exactly. Treadmill walking is safe. Stretching is safe. Filling your water bottle is also safe.
That makes sense. So, what do people usually say? What are some easy phrases?
People often say things like, busy today, right? Or, how's your workout going? Or, are you finished with this machine?
Oh, yeah, that last one is important. I never know how to say it politely.
You can say, excuse me, are you using this? Or, excuse me, are you still using that? Very simple.
And if I want to say I'm almost done,
You can say, I'm almost done, just one more set.
one more set. Got it. What's a set again?
A set is a group of repetitions. For example, 10 push-ups is one set. Then you rest. Then you do another set.
Okay, that makes sense. So 3 sets of 10 is 30 push-ups. That's also 30 more than I can do.
Same. Push-ups are my enemy.
Are there any other common gym phrases?
People also ask, can I work in with you? That means they want to share the machine with you and take turns.
Wow, that's very social. I'm not ready for that level.
You can always just say, sure, if you're comfortable, or sorry, I'm almost done if you don't want to share.
That's good. And for small talk, maybe how often do you come here? Or do you like this gym?
Exactly. Or do you do any classes here? Or what do you usually train?
What do you usually train? I like that.
And people answer with things like, I train legs today, or I'm doing upper body, or just cardio.
Cardio. That means running, biking, things that make your heart work, right?
Yes, exactly. Cardio is for your heart and lungs. Lifting is for strength.
So I can say, I'm just doing some light cardio today.
Perfect sentence.
I sound like a real gym person now.
You're almost ready to live here.
No, I still love my couch.
Same. So Mia, what's your goal at the gym?
Honestly, I just want more energy and less stress. And maybe I want to feel better in my clothes.
Those are great goals. I'm here mostly to stay healthy. I work at a desk all day, so I need to move my body.
Yeah, sitting all day is the new smoking, right?
That's what people say. So what do you usually do before the gym? Work? Study?
I work in an office. So I sit a lot, answer emails, drink coffee, repeat.
And now you walk, drink water, and check your phone. Very balanced.
Exactly. How about you?
I'm a graphic designer, so I look at a screen all day. The gym helps me relax my mind.
That's nice. I think that's a good small talk question too. So what do you do, or what do you do for work?
Yes, but be careful. Some people don't want to talk about work at the gym, so maybe don't ask it immediately.
Good point. Maybe start with, how's your workout going? And then see if they want to talk more.
Right. If they give short answers and look at their phone or headphones, they probably don't want to talk.
But if they ask you questions too, then it's okay to continue.
Exactly.
So what do you usually drink at the gym? Just water?
Mostly water. Sometimes I bring a sports drink, but water is my favorite. Simple and cheap.
Same. I see people with big protein shakes, and I'm here with my tiny bottle of water.
Your water is powerful too.
Have you ever dropped something heavy here? Like a weight?
Oh yes, one time I dropped a dumbbell and made a huge noise. Everyone looked at me. I wanted to disappear.
That's my worst nightmare.
Don't worry, it happens to everyone.
So what are some polite things you can say at the gym?
You can say excuse me when you walk in front of someone. You can say sorry if you bump into someone. You can say is anyone using this before you take a machine.
And go ahead when you let someone use something.
Yes, and thanks when someone moves or helps you.
What about compliments? Is it okay to say, "You're really strong," or "Nice form"?
It depends. With strangers, be careful. You can say something general like you're working hard or good job if the situation feels friendly, but don't make it weird.
So maybe start with talking about the gym in general. Like, "The music is good today," or "It's so hot in here."
Yes, that's safer. Talk about the place, not their body.
Very good rule.
How's your treadmill going now?
I'm at 25 minutes. I feel like a champion.
That's great. Are you going to stretch after?
I should, right?
Yes, you can say I'm going to stretch now when you finish. That's also a natural phrase.
My favorite stretch is lying on the floor and scrolling.
That's modern yoga.
Do you have a gym buddy?
Sometimes I come with a friend on weekends. It's fun to exercise together, but we also talk a lot and do less workout.
I think I need a gym buddy to push me a little.
Or you can listen to a podcast, for example, Pop Off English.
Wow, amazing idea. You can learn English and do cardio at the same time.
Multitasking at its best.
So if I see you here again, what's a natural way to say hi?
You can say, hey, good to see you again, or hey, you're here again. Very simple.
And then maybe, how's your workout today?
Perfect, or how's it going, or busy today, right?
That's easy. I feel more confident now.
Yeah, gym small talk doesn't have to be difficult. Keep it short, friendly, and simple.
And don't ask deep life questions when people are out of breath.
Exactly.
Okay, I think I'm done with my treadmill. I survived.
Nice job. I'm going to do some weights now.
Cool. Maybe I'll try the bike. If I fall, please pretend you don't know me.
No promises.
It was nice talking to you, Leo.
Nice talking to you too, Mia. See you around.
See you.
All right, that was our little story at the gym. Now let's quickly review what we learned so you can remember some useful phrases for your own gym small talk.
You heard phrases for starting small talk, like, do you come here a lot? Busy today, right? And how's your workout going?
You also heard common gym vocabulary: treadmill, weights, cardio, set, reps, warm-up, stretch, class, spinning, yoga, Zumba, gym schedule.
And you learned how to ask about machines in a polite way. Are you using this? Are you still using that? Can I work in with you? I'm almost done. Just one more set.
You also heard that it's good to use small, friendly sentences like, nice to meet you, nice talking to you, see you around, and go ahead.
And we talked about good topics for gym small talk. How often you come, what time you come, your workout, your goals, and if you do any classes.
Remember, you don't have to talk a lot. Just one or two simple sentences can make you sound friendly and confident in English.
And you can always listen to this podcast again while you're at the gym, walking, or running. Then you can hear the natural rhythm of the phrases again.
If you liked this episode, don't forget to subscribe to Pop Off English, like this video, and share it with a friend who also goes to the gym or wants to start.
Check the description for the playlist with more episodes to help you with real-life English. You can listen while you cook, clean, or walk on the treadmill.
Tell us in the comments. Do you like going to the gym? What do you usually do there? We love reading your stories.
Thanks for spending time with us today. Take care, stay active, and keep popping off in English.
See you in the next episode.
Bye.
Bye.